Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We have our next upgrade for the CVO ST, and it is, without further ado, the KLOCKWERKS 10-inch smoked windshield. I've seen guys put these on their bike and they just look great. They give you much more comfort, I guess you can say. I'll show you guys the windshield that's on the bike, but let's first get this thing open, see how it looks. This comes like this, wrapped up nice and pretty. Extra protection. It comes with the instructions, which I've seen this done. It shouldn't take much, I'm sure we can handle it, but it comes with the little instructions just in case. Let's open it up, take a look, get this thing installed. I had to bust out the scissors. It was a little crazy. Be careful not to scratch it. And here we go. It's super wrapped up. Let's get it out of this packaging. It looks like it has some blue protective film over it, which is great. We won't take that off until we actually get it installed. Definitely wrap it up pretty good. And here it is. Finally, we get to change out our windshield. You can see the little scoop on the side. I'll show you guys more closer look. And it just so happens to have a little bit of red touch on the KLOCKWERKS symbol, which you know we love. Can't wait to get this on, take it for a ride, see how good it is. Let's get it to the garage. Also, you know, we incorporate something Supreme in every video, at least we try. This is just another hoodie, very cool. Give you guys a little more detail. It's not a collaboration with anyone, just another nice thick hoodie, good to have. Definitely keeps you warm. It's got the red stitching all the way from the wrist to the back. I mentioned before that Supreme just does a great job on the hoodies. All the stitching is perfect. The Supreme logo. It has like an inside out stitch across the chest and through the back. Has the Supreme branding with almost a white rug material. Very clean hoodie. I like it a lot. It's definitely one of the coolest ones in my collection so far, in my opinion. Just a quick shot of the back. I like the stitching all the way through. Has the inside out stitch across the back. Just a real cool hoodie, something different. I'll link it on StockX like I always do if you guys want to take a look and try to pick it up. Let's get out to the garage and get this windshield changed. So you can see the windshield here still wrapped up. It does come with the hardware there in the red bag and the instructions. This is gonna be a cool addition to the bike. You see the KLOCKWERKS in red, gotta love it. So as you can see, we're here in the garage. We have our Cruise Tools kit from the last video. Should give us the right key to get the windshield swapped out. Let's get busy, get this stock windshield off and get our KLOCKWERKS installed. Just a close look of the stock windshield. Has the Harley Davidson writing in gray, kind of matches the bike. I do like this windshield. It just doesn't give you any wind protection, especially on the highway. It gets your glasses shaking and just wears you out. Okay, as you can see, we have our Cruise Tools kit. We have our hardware, we have our windshield, we have the old windshield, we have the instructions. Let's get the right Allen key out. I believe it should be the smallest one in the pack. Has this kind of star groove on it. All you really need to do is get it started. The key fits perfectly. I'll loosen them all up first. Once you have them all loose, you can go ahead and just take them out. You'll not be using any of these stock screws or washers. The KLOCKWERKS one comes with new ones that fit the brackets perfectly. Let's get these screws out, pop this bad boy off. This will be the last time we see the short windshield on the CVO ST. Now that the screws are out, we should be able to just pop it off like so. Cool windshield. I wish it blocked more wind because it definitely has a cool look with the shorty. And it definitely has the flare up like the KLOCKWERKS. So you do get some. I could have almost tucked behind this like a sport bike, which is not what I was looking for when I bought a Harley. So let's get the new one installed. Just opened up the packaging. These are the bottom brackets. I don't know if you guys can see. It has the R and this one has the L. So the left side would be the driver's left side, and obviously the right side will be the right side. Here's the hardware, all the same size bolts. First you have to line these up. We have our right. They basically slip right on, hold in place. After playing with it for a minute, I grabbed some painter's tape. These definitely keep popping off. You want the double hole at the top and the small hole at the bottom. Just gonna tape this in place for now. Make sure we'll be able to get it off after, so these just stop popping off on me. There's the other one, lost it already. Same thing, double holes at the top, small hole at the bottom. Lock these in for a minute. Okay, so we peeled up the plastic a little. Matter of fact, we're just gonna get rid of it. Might get in our way. You can see the small tabs at the bottom. You want to line them up with your little clips there. A little weird. You almost have to bend it in a little. Kind of force it down into place. Ever so gently. It looks good. So now we just want to take our top clips, which also have the L and the R. The instructions say to get the left top one in first. You can see the holes don't just line up perfectly. You are gonna have to adjust it a little. And I feel like when you do, it wants to pop out here. So let's get the first one in by hand a little. Looks like that one's in pretty good, which should line us up at the bottom. Once you get the top one started, you can almost line up the bottom. Let me get that sitting where you need it. Get that one just started and repeat on the other side before we tighten these. So again, our holes don't even look like they're gonna line up. Just have to do some simple adjustment. There's no washers. This is all the hardware they give you. Just kind of want to get it into place. Try to get that top one started, and then same with the bottom. Now that we have them all where we need it, we're looking good. We're just gonna cross tighten them from here to here and then here to here. You want to torque these down to about 8 to 10 pounds pressure. I don't have the torque wrench yet, so we will be doing that in the future. For now, we're just gonna tighten them by hand. Kind of fast forward it, save you guys a couple minutes. We're looking good. We got them all pretty tight. We're just gonna do a little half a turn on each one and just get them fully secured. Bolt this one next. Just want to at least secure it for now until we get the torque wrench. Tighten this one down. Beautiful. So now that we have it pretty much installed, we're gonna remove our blue tape, which should come off pretty easy. Make sure you don't put it obviously at the top where the screw goes. We're just gonna hit it with a little F11. I use it on all my vehicles. I'll do a little video on that in the future. Let's give it a nice clean wipe down, get the fingerprints off. You can see from the side view, it goes so nice with the fairing. It almost looks like it should have been on there from the start. Just a clean side view. You can see the front. I mean, this windshield fits the bike so well. The KLOCKWERKS branding with the red. Just that little red detail in the front. I love it. Great addition to the bike. The way the windshield swoops up like that creates almost an air pocket behind it. Some dead air space where you can hear the music a little better. You can kind of get in that little pocket and not have your glasses bobbling around or your helmet going crazy. Just a little more comfort on the highway, longer rides. So that's about it for this episode. We have our windshield installed. I love it. Can't wait for the next upgrade. Thank you guys as always for watching. Subscribe, tell a friend. Peace, blessings, and positivity. Stay tuned for the next upgrade. We're gonna try to do one at least every week. Extra thank you for any support. See you on the next one.